There are currently two options to use n8n. One is to use the services provided by the company itself and to use n8n Cloud. It's quite expensive. It costs about 24 euro a month or 20 euro a month if you buy annual subscription. And there is another way. Alternative is to actually self-host n8n. It's going to be the version of n8n very similar to the one hosted by n8n Cloud. At the same time, there are some limitations, even though these limitations are not that significant. So if you would like to know how to self-host n8n and how to switch from paying 24 euro per month to 4 euro or 6 euro per month, then this tutorial is for you. There are actually just two things you need to have. First is to have your own server, and you don't need to have a server at home. You can just rent it via such service providers as DigitalOcean, and actually there is a lot of others, but in this tutorial we'll use DigitalOcean. And you should ideally have your own domain name. If you do not have one, you should purchase one. It's not that expensive. In this tutorial we'll be using Namecheap.com, and the only thing you need to do is to register the domain name, to install n8n on the server, and to point the domain name to this server. And from that moment, once everything is set up, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to access your n8n instance on your server via your domain name, like n8n.yourdomainname.com. So first of all, to self-host, you need to register a domain name, which will point to the server, to the instance where your n8n is running. I'm doing it with a Namecheap, so I'm going to Namecheap. I already created an account and I have registered a domain name. The name is unreasonable.org. You will, of course, need to register it yourself, another one. Then the next step is creating a droplet. In order to create a droplet, you need to go to DigitalOcean. That's where we'll be hosting our server, which will be running an n8n. And the name droplet is just basically, it means a server. You're selecting the area where you are. I'm selecting Frankfurt. It's the closest location for the server to my location. I'm currently located in Berlin. And here you can see that in the marketplace, you can select a template, which is n8n template, developed, by the way, not by n8n themselves, but by another company. But it's very good one, because when you install it, it immediately basically activates all the services required for the n8n to run, like Docker, Docker Compose, KD, and others. I'm selecting the cheapest version one here, so not the one with the $4, but the one with the $6. This one is enough to host an n8n. After I select the option here, I will not use SSH key for the authentication. I will just use simple password for this tutorial. So we are going here and we're selecting the name we're just creating some kind of name for our droplet here. I will give the following name. It's automate, unreasonable, and -work. You can create whatever you want. This is not really important. Then you're pressing create droplet. And once you press create droplet, the new droplet or the new server will be created, and you should just slightly wait. So if you, for instance, now click here, you can see that there is currently no IPv4 address which has been assigned to the server. But if you wait slightly longer, when the droplet has been finalized in creation, and then go inside, so you just click on this automate and reasonable work. So it's done. You just go inside and you can see that there is a domain name IPv4. We will need it. We'll need to copy it, by the way, so that we can point our domain name to this server. We're going back to Namecheap. And here under advanced DNS, we just need to do one thing. We need to create an A record. A record will point to this server, the address of the server. So we are adding an A record. We are typing here the host name. This is the subdomain which will be before the name of your domain name, and the value is this IP address of the droplet, which we just copied. Then we press OK, and everything is ready. Now we're going to console in the droplet. In the console, of course, you can use the terminal on your PC or on your Mac, but we'll be using the console which is provided directly by DigitalOcean, and that's actually quite cool. So you just press this button, open console, and you open in the console, and you will be greeted with the following screen, which you can currently see. There are some instructions. It just tells you that you need to enter your subdomain, and we are having the subdomain automate, and then your domain name which you have purchased, and on Namecheap or any other domain registrar. Unreasonable.org, that's in our case. Then it asks for the email. The email is required for Let's Encrypt. in order for your domain name to work properly and to have a security certificate in a correct way, the SSL certificate. So we're entering the email address, and after we enter the email address, we're pressing enter. And here I'm saying, no, I do not need to change the time zone. Berlin is fine for me. I'm exactly in Berlin. And as you can see, everything is being set up for you. So what this template is doing, it's getting the images of KD, its reverse proxy, and of n8n from the repository. And basically, after it pulls these images from the repository, they will be automatically started by Docker Compose script, which is present in this template. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to sit and wait. So once everything is ready, and let's wait for a couple more seconds, you'll be able to see that the images are downloaded and they will be automatically running immediately after they have been downloaded and installed in this template here. So it took some time, but now you can see that there are 2 containers that are running at the moment. And this is what is required for n8n to work on your server. So we have set everything up now. We have a server where n8n is running, and we have a domain name where subdomain automate.unreasonable.org is pointing to exactly the IP address of this server, and it should now work. So let's check. I go to Safari just to try from another browser, automate.unreasonable.org. And this is the first time we're opening this freshly installed n8n instance, and you are greeted with the setting up of your own account here. You need to provide an email, then you need to provide your first last name. I will do it here quickly, and then I select this button and press next. I would like to register this option, this version of n8n with n8n themselves, because it gives us additional features which you are not getting if you're not registering it and not requesting API key. So that's just like this. I have requested these additional features like workflow history, advanced debugging, and so on. After that, you'll receive an email with a license key and the link to activate it. So let's see if everything is working. You can see you can create the workflows as in a normal cloud-based instance of n8n hosted by n8n themselves, just that now it's all hosted on your server in DigitalOcean, Droplet, and your domain name is pointing directly to this hosted version. If we go back to the browser, to the Chrome browser, and try to access the same address, automate.unreasonable.org, there is no need to set up a new account because we have already set it up with Safari. And by the way, you can directly go to Chrome and do it in Chrome. I just did it in Safari to test it in another browser. And by the way, why I did it, sometimes, so if as a subdomain you will use n8n dot and then your domain name, then Chrome may actually behave in a slightly different way. It will say that domain is not trusted and so on, while Safari and other browsers are working. So as you can see, we have received an email and activated this instance of n8n. And as a result, if we go to n8n, you'll be able to see that our version is actually activated. When you're self-hosting n8n, sometimes what will happen, n8n will issue an update. And normally it happens, I would say, every week. And you would like to update it to the latest version because there are some new features available. How to do it? How to update n8n when you need it? So what you need to do, you need just go to your Droplet in DigitalOcean, and here you find out your Droplet, this one, Automate Unreasonable Work, the one we created. Then we go to More and select Access Console. The Launch Console and console will be open. You'll be faced with a similar screen with some instructions. If you want to clear the console, you can just type the command clear. Then you'll just have this thing. And in order to update n8n, you would need to do the following. You need to pull the latest version of the Docker container of n8n from n8n repository, and you just need to restart your Docker Compose. To upgrade the n8n version, we should do the following. We should first go to the folder opt n8n docker caddy, enter. We are now in this folder, as you can see here. And when we are within this folder, we should pull the latest images in Docker Compose. So it will check the Docker Compose file. We will see the images which it's using. It's KD and n8n, and the latest versions has been pulled. After that, what we need to do, we need to stop these containers because they are currently running. we're using the command docker compose down. So as you can see, two Docker containers has been stopped. And then we need to just restart it. We need to use the command docker compose up -d for the detach mode. And as you can see, two containers has been started, n8n and caddy. It means that we have updated the version of n8n and we have restarted the containers. Now we go back to our browser. Here we're trying to access it. And initially we are getting the error message because it cannot access this route. But if you wait just a couple of seconds and restart it, you'll be able to see that we are now on the latest version of n8n. That's how you update the n8n version. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and now you know how to self-host n8n. If due to whatever reason you still think it's too complicated and you do not want to purchase a server, domain name and so on, but would like to use n8n, you can of course use the cloud version hosted by n8n themselves, and I would appreciate if you would use my affiliate link below in the description and also in the pinned comment. You will not pay anything extra, but in this way you will support the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.